Sorkar Jela kelapan kre ban Pyllait shu sa Kumba khatsan Tylli AA ki bos Jongngi na kabenta ban pensuk ya kalet kawan Jongngi pa. Ya kani la yathu do sembut menteri rangba ka Jela ba snyo balangdhar da ka ba pentip ru ba yakini ki bos en sa Pyllait ba hakalai tarik Naitung mentau snem. Hagaju Khubor sembut menteri rangba ule yathu ba kite ki bos en sa penbet pat ya ka jaka kamai Jongngi da ka ba pet kat kum ka jingpan Jongngi ba.
Time to time with the bus operator or with the driver, we request them the bus should be maintained properly, nicely. It should not be in such a manner after only 1 2 years, only the bus should be condemned. So we keep requesting the one who look after the bus. So that is on the job from the department. Even this last one I called meeting on this, make sure all the bus should look perfect, should look nicely. People would like to sit on it also. We keep requesting that. It seems on 3rd July. I'll inaugurate the new buses with different line. As informed in ISBT, it's on 3rd July 11 o'clock. I will be releasing another bus with different routes. More or less 15 plus. 15 plus, more or less. Some of them by operator, a mix. Because frankly speaking, some of them from planning, some of them from municipal, some of them from modal. It's mixed. It's not the same for all. We are requesting them they should maintain the bus properly, especially from now onward.